Hey everybody, got my earthquake 3/8 ratcheting ratchet or impacting ratchet here. I got one of these swivels on the back, and she blew out an O-ring. I don't know if you can see it right there. Yeah, you can see it's blown out there. I'm assuming it's got to replace that O-ring. Take this snap ring apart here and see if we can get her fixed. Because right now it's just pissing air out. So I got my snap ring pliers. Let's see if we can get one of these to work. These are just some cheap Harbor Freight snap ring pliers, so probably send this sucker flying and never find it again. Come on. Oh, you're so close. There we go. It's just a little snap ring. And then, oop. Let's see, is this just, yep, that just pulls off. Cool. It looks like we got a couple of O-rings in there. This top one's just blown right out. Bottom one looks alright yet. Let me grab a little pick. And just break the thing. And now I got these O-ring sets here. I don't know. Hopefully we can find one that's pretty darn close. Make it work, I guess. Let's see. That one looks about right. We'll try it. Hopefully it'll be a little quick fix. I was using it yesterday on our, take some bolts off on our chisel plow, and it blew out on me and started leaking. Yeah, that one might be a bit big. A bit wide. It doesn't want to sit down in that little hole. Don't even have it framed up very well. So I need a little thinner one, it looks like. Which, I don't know if I got. Oh, where did I put that? Seems like even if you get these kits, there's never the right size O-ring in here. Always short. Well, that guy's a bit small, but he's thinner, so let's try it. If I break them, I don't really care. They're cheap. Just kind of roll them down on. Gotta be careful when you're using the pick on them so you don't break the new ones. There, that guy seems to fit in there pretty nicely. That was pretty easy, I guess. Hopefully that seals up. I'm going to throw a little bit of silicone spray on there just so it hopefully seals up better. Let me go grab that. Oh, well, I'll use a little bit of grease. Use a little bit of O-ring grease. Put some of that on there. Hopefully I don't rip them when I put that thing back. Ooh, I'm not even in the camera. There. That guy. Take your other end. Kind of gently work it over there. And now, hopefully we don't send the snap ring flying, putting it back together. That's going to be the real trick. Yeah, I got the whole set of Pittsburgh snap ring pliers. They do their job. Plus, like this one right here, if you have to modify them to get at some spot, you don't feel bad about it, because I think the set was like 15 bucks for the whole thing. Make sure it pops back in the groove there. You heard it kind of snap. Swivels nicely. Alright. Well, let's hook the airline up here and see if it's good. Yeah, seems like it's all fixed. The airline leaks a little bit, so if you hear that, that's what it is. So, perfect. That was nice and easy, I guess. Thought it was going to be a little bit more difficult. Well, that's pretty much it, I guess. The size I ended up using, let's see, there was a metric one here. Let's see, which one was it here now? That must have been in the wrong spot. Looks like it was 8.8 by 1.9 millimeters is the O-ring I ended up using. Don't know if it's the actual right one or not, but it worked. So thanks for watching. Pretty simple video. Pretty darn easy to change if you have a pair of snap ring pliers, or even a little flathead screwdriver. You probably could have gotten that off. So thanks for watching.